Welcome back, guys. This is now the 1 year and 1 month update of our 25-way trim restorers longevity test. And at this point, I think it's pretty clear who the top 5 or 6 are going to be, and we'll likely use those in a future test when my other long-term trim test comes to an end. As usual, the last 30 days weather, as well as the lifetime weather that these panels have seen, is on your screen now. We will foam these panels down using Chemical Guy's Honeydew Snow Foam, rinse them, foam them again, wash them, and rinse, and of course, dry everything off. These panels sit outside of our shop 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and they're washed monthly until the last one fails. So with that out of the way, let's see how things are holding up. On the gray panel, we had 2 coats of everything, and you can see at this point, pretty much everything along the top is done, or at least has been called failed. On the bottom, we have Rust-Oleum Wipe New really doing well, along with Cerakote. Very similar products, but Wipe New definitely looks like it's doing a little better. That black stuff is on its way out. It has also a very matte finish if you're looking for that. Shine Supply Trim Paint didn't make it. Malco Epic Revive still barely hanging in there. And I think everything else is done on the gray panel. Something of note though, the sun's hitting these just right where you can see that some of them have a little bit of gloss still to them, even if they've failed. Cerakote, of course, very, very glossy, and Wipe New also in the same boat. On to the black panel. This is 1 coat of everything. India ink in the upper left, and Kiwi shoe dye, $3. Very hard to get a consistent product out of Kiwi though, or a consistent result. Rust-Oleum Wipe New and Cerakote, both looking good. That black stuff also looking pretty good. And Shine Supply Trim Paint, looking good. Malco Epic Revive. Solution Finish is starting to fade, but it looks like you can see kind of a close-up there. You can see it's starting to get worse for wear. The Malco looking pretty good. It's also starting to fade slightly, and Shine Supply Trim Paint still looking pretty good. That is a dye. That black stuff also a dye. More of a matte finish. Cerakote and Wipe New, very glossy and holding up. If you guys have used any of these products, let me know in the comments your experience with them. Some of you guys have said, for example, like Wipe New, it works great, but if you get it on the paint, make sure you wipe it off because it will leave a mess. It's hard to remove. Kiwi looks awesome. That's a detailer's trick from the 80s and 90s. Let me know, guys. Like to hear your comments. Thanks for watching. See you soon.